Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to purchase an item on Ekenta.com. Once you've decided on an item to purchase, simply click the Add button and the item will be added to your cart. As a new customer on Ekenta, you will be asked to create an account using your regular email address or the details you have chosen. You then have the option of continuing to shop or checking out. When you're finished, you can access your cart at any time by clicking on the cart icon in the top right corner of each page. You are then prompted to review your shopping cart. You can still change the contents of your cart at this point by removing items you no longer want or changing the quantity of any item. Make sure to double check the subtotal and total prices. Choose a delivery method based on your preferences. Then you will be able to access the payment section. You will need to select a payment method here, pay for your product, and we will deliver. Congratulations, you just bought an item on Ekenta.com. Thank you.